Hi.
What's that?
Uptown Swing, level 1, 6 count. Brian, Val.
That's us.
We did
So
a couple
much
of new
today.
things. Yeah, there are a couple of new things. So first we did this turn in place.
Step, step, triple, triple step. Hey, you ended weird hands. We just flip it over, and you're fine.
Then we had a cuddle, and then we had a cuddle that kind of reverses a little bit.
So your regular one, do-ba-dee, zoop-ba-da, hey, huh? Hey, or we bring it in, catch, send it out.
So we did that. And then we just put a bunch of stuff together and we danced it to music. And then we're like, when you dance Frankie Sixes to music, there is a little bit of time left. So we learn stop and shake.
Boom, ba, hey, Then you keep dancing all of everything.
So you add it at the end of the Frankie Sixes and it's beautiful.